going to open up the seeds from Baker Creek. And these are mostly the vegetables that we'll be starting in the greenhouse. Oops. I like their packets. They give you so many pictures, but also what's great about Baker Creek is their germination rate is great. They have all open pollinated seeds, and they really didn't need this stuff. What the heck? Alright, let's go through them because it's pretty packages. I'm going to be starting all these in the greenhouse for 2024. So if you see a veggie you like, or a tomato or a pepper, give me a ringy-dingy DM and I will save them for you. Because unfortunately there's not that many per variety. Like typically a pepper package will have 20 to 24, 25 to 30 in there if you're lucky. Some of them, which they consider to be more rare, are going to be even less, like 15. So this is a sweet pepper, I believe. Well, paprika. Jigsaw is a very beautiful plant. Interesting peppers. This is peas. Hot wax is a common pepper. They're just so very easy to get lots of them. Tunisian. Red Savina. Got a few of these. A lot of these are new varieties. Basil. Little Marvel. I hope they're not too small. Alright, tomatoes. Brown sugar. First time trying those. They look really good. This pepper. I believe it's a hot pepper. Some of them I just can't pronounce, so I won't even try. Tomato. Okra. Tell you what, the okra plants and the flowers are beautiful. Even if you don't like to eat okra, you should grow it just for the flowers. We will be starting lots of onion seeds. Alright, now we got, I may have showed the peas. I know I showed the peppers. Soybeans, love that oil on this. Yard long beans. Winter choy, this is actually coming up in the garden right now. Love that cabbage, so pretty. Beans. These are always a good staple. And these are yellow wax beans. Scallions. Alright, what else do we have here? Carrots. Melon. This melon looks like another cantaloupe. These are all different kind of cantaloupes. Eggplants, we had so many eggplants last year. Every plant was beautiful. But not everybody eats the eggplant. But we're still going to be growing lots of them. Kale. Lots of kale. Leek. Eggplant. Different cucumbers, okay? This is a longer variety. Also longer. This is a really good producer. Good producer. Another Japanese variety. Eggplant. Cauliflower. Chinese cabbage. Celery. White celery. Red arugula. That should be interesting. Pretty. And more soybeans. Alright. Next. Collards. Bitter melon. Interesting peppers. These are purple, sweet. More tomatoes. Alice's Dream. Seems like I have a lot of these this year, but it's an interesting variety. Large barred boar. Gold medal. Blush tiger. Lettuce. Watermelon. Oh, this is one of my favorite tomatoes. Oh my gosh, you have to try this one. Pink Jazz. They're so big and beautiful. Pineapple, always a real great one. Yep. This one is very pretty. Just very pretty. Ooh. Queen of the Night. That's interesting. Blue cream cherry. Absolute. Do not go without this one. Blue Beauty. Oh, you see that? Very red inside. Strawberry. Orange Jazz. Purple. Oh, this is a tomatillo. And I also have, yeah. And this is a green tomato, cherry tomato, and a, yellow tomatillo. That should be interesting. Larger butternut squash. Of course, I also have the honey nut. And saved a lot of honey nut seed, but since it's a hybrid, we don't know how it's going to turn out. New England sugar pie. Sunrise bumblebee. Everybody loves that one. I did these already. Oh, no, pepper. Blot. This one sold pretty good. These plants. Stevia. All those that need a green sugar. Big Mac. Zucchini. White scallop. Ooh, more peppers. Bullnose. Albino. Just a white sweet pepper. Carrots. Lipstick. Grown this in the past. Of course, grow this also every year. Shishito. King of the North. It's a staple bell pepper. Different kind of shell peas. I believe I also have a snap pea this year. That's a parsley. This is a very good purple hot pepper. This is a very tiny red hot pepper. This one's new, Big Jim. Is Big Jim sweet? No. It's a chili pepper. That reminds me of the Italian long hot, so we're going to see how that comes. Sugar bomb peas. This is a dwarf. Sweet 3-inch pods. Crispy, crunchy, sweet peas. Edible pods. Poblano. More paprika. And I think I already showed the white scallop, the golden. Yep. And pumpkin. Alrighty. That was long, sorry.